With only 1 week left in 2025, the Samsung Galaxy S25 family is now very close to completing its first full year, and that moment always brings a mix of excitement and curiosity. These phones are still among the best you can buy right now, but at the same time, it naturally makes you wonder what Samsung is preparing next. And yes, that means the Galaxy S26 series is quietly getting closer. Thanks to Ice Universe, a leaker who has built a strong reputation over the years for being accurate with Samsung leaks, we now have a clearer look at what's coming. Ice Universe has shared a detailed comparison between the Galaxy S25 lineup and the upcoming Galaxy S26 family, and it gives us a surprisingly complete picture of what to expect. According to the leak, Samsung is once again planning 3 main models: the regular Galaxy S26, the Galaxy S26 Plus, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Interestingly, there is no mention of a Galaxy S26 Edge this time, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's cancelled. We've seen this before, since the Galaxy S25 Edge didn't arrive until May 2025, well after the main launch. So there's still room for surprises. While these leaks give us a solid understanding of the internal upgrades, things like color options and final design details are still a mystery, which honestly just adds to the excitement. Starting with the base model, the Galaxy S26 feels like a careful refinement rather than a dramatic overhaul. The display grows slightly from 6.2 inches on the Galaxy S25 to 6.3 inches on the S26, while keeping the same FHD Plus resolution, 2600 nits peak brightness, and 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. It's a small change, but one you'll probably notice the moment you hold it. Performance is where things start to feel more interesting. The Galaxy S25 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, but the Galaxy S26 is expected to move to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or the Exynos 2600 depending on the region. It's a subtle evolution that you'll feel more in performance than in design. So the big question naturally becomes whether you should buy the Galaxy S25 now or wait for the Galaxy S26. If you already own a Galaxy S24 or S25, the upgrade doesn't feel essential, and you can comfortably skip a generation. But if you're coming from an older phone, the Galaxy S26 looks like a clean and polished upgrade, offering better performance, a slightly larger battery, and more storage right from the start. At the same time, Galaxy S25 prices are likely to drop soon, which means you'll actually have 2 very good choices depending on your budget and patience. And that's what makes this moment so interesting. The leaks give us answers, but they also raise just enough questions to keep things exciting. Well, it looks like we should all start preparing our wallets, because the biggest upgrade for the Galaxy S26 Ultra seems all but confirmed at this point. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S26 series in just a couple of months, and leaks continue to trickle in, building that familiar buzz ahead of its release. Now, a fresh listing for the Galaxy S26 Ultra has come along to back up those exciting rumors about much faster charging, and it feels like a genuine game changer. The keen-eyed Twitter user @ZionZanvin actually spotted a Galaxy S26 Ultra certification on China's 3C regulatory website, and we were able to find it, too. The listing confirms the model number SM, S948 and, more thrillingly, 60W wired charging at 20V and 3A. This discovery strongly suggests the Galaxy S26 Ultra will finally offer those faster wired charging speeds we've been dreaming about, marking the first real charging upgrade for an Ultra phone since the Galaxy S20 Ultra way back in 2020. Can you believe it's been that long? This finding feels even more credible because Samsung had already quietly listed a 60W charger on its own website recently, so all the pieces are falling perfectly into place. It definitely looks like the Galaxy S26 Ultra is about to get a long overdue and very welcome boost to its charging speed, which is something to genuinely celebrate. Oh, And the 3C listing had another little nugget of information. It mentions the S26 Ultra will have satellite connectivity. That's not a huge shock, since the Galaxy S25 Ultra already supports it, but I'm still so curious to see if Samsung has any improved connectivity or clever new satellite features up its sleeve for this next-generation flagship. The wait for the official reveal just got a whole lot more interesting. Fresh intel from Ice Universe has finally lifted the curtain on Samsung's next big move. After months of confusion and a missing January launch, the wait is almost over, and the timing says a lot. According to the latest leak, Samsung will host Galaxy Unpacked in San Francisco on February 25, 2026. Yes, February, marking a clear departure from Samsung's recent January flagship launches. Even more surprising, Galaxy S26 series sales are expected to begin in March 2026, nearly a full month later than the Galaxy S25's January debut. This isn't just a date change, it's a strategic reset. Ice Universe confirms that the Galaxy S26 Ultra and the entire S26 lineup will once again debut on Samsung's biggest global stage, Galaxy Unpacked, signaling that Samsung isn't experimenting wildly this year. Instead, the company appears to be doubling down on stability, refinement, and long-term consistency. In other words, don't expect rushed upgrades, expect polish. While excitement may not be exploding just yet, this early timeline leak feels less like speculation and more like a soft confirmation. And with Samsung officially stepping into a new era of mobile processing, this marks the true beginning of the Galaxy S26 hype cycle. Ice Universe just dropped a new leak on X, and it completely changes the way we're looking at the Galaxy S26 lineup. He's been tracking Samsung's 2026 plans for months, and according to him, the gap between the regular S26 models and the Ultra is going to be the widest we've ever seen. And honestly, after reading what he shared, it's starting to look like most Samsung fans should skip the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus entirely and go straight for the S26 Ultra next year. Samsung will still launch all three models, S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra, but while they all get a new chipset and some solid improvements, the Ultra is getting upgrades that the other two simply won't match. Ice Universe laid out 7 clear reasons why waiting for the Ultra is the smarter move. First, a bunch of brand new AI features launching with the S26 series will only run on the Ultra at the start. Even the current S25 Ultra might need 3 to 6 months of software updates to catch up. Samsung is clearly positioning the Ultra as the real AI powerhouse.